Hello everyone, this is Nikhil Atram, roll number 21AE10025, and this is my third DIY assignment in which I am going to disassemble and then reassemble this mosquito racket and get to know about few components of it. So as you can see, when I turn on the switch and push the button, it glows. This means that this racket is working. Now if I check it through this screwdriver, this shows that the racket works. So now let's open this. So now as you can see, I have pulled out the circuit, and these two are the metallic stripes which is connected to the AC supply when it is used for charging. This conducts the AC supply, and when the current goes through these wires, the LED which is connected in this circuit glows, indicating that the racket is charging. Now we will see in the components of the circuit. These two are the capacitors. This is the micro button, this is button, this is LED. These are the resistors, these are the diodes, this is a capacitor, and this is a transformer. Now when we connect it to an AC supply through these metallic stripes, the current flows through this circuit, and in this circuit, it is called a rectifier circuit. The current gets converted from AC to DC so that this battery gets charged. So now from this battery, the current goes through a oscillator circuit in which the DC supply is converted into an AC supply. And now as you can see, there is a transistor here, and now from this, when this DC voltage is converted into an AC voltage, here this is an step up transformer which amplifies the voltage, and after the voltage is amplified, it is stored in this capacitor. Now as you can see, there are three wires, two blue and one red. These two blue wires are connected to the outer mesh, and this red wire is connected to the inner mesh. So now whenever we turn on the switch and push the button, the current flows through these wires and it goes into the mesh. And whenever a mosquito comes in contact with these meshes, the circuit through these capacitor gets short circuited, and hence the current flows through it and the mosquito dies. So now we will reassemble it. So now, as you can see, we have reassembled the mosquito racket, and now if I push the button, the light glows, which means that it is working. Now we will check on the mesh side. So it shows sparking, which means that it is working. Now we will check it on the supply, that is on the plug. So now we can see that I have connected the mosquito racket to the supply. And now if I switch on the button, the green light blinks, which means that the charging plug is also working. So this is all from my side. Thank you for watching.